you one day you see that your Google Ads account is suspended, and you are surprised. Oh, what happened? Because you were running online campaigns, and suddenly because your account is suspended, so which is why your business is affected, and you are like, oh, what to do? How am I gonna resolve? And my business is gonna suffer. I can assume that you may have ample of such questions in your mind on what to do. And same was such incident with one of our client whose account was suspended for circumventing system. But now your account can be suspended for counterfeit items, your account can be suspended for circumventing solution, for account for unpaid balance, for suspicious payment. I mean, there are so many reasons for which your account can be suspended, and it is a very hectic trouble thing for anyone who is using Google Ads to drive traffic, and they see their account suspended and they're like, oh, I know we lost a lot of money due to this. So for anyone who is working with the Google Ads and suddenly they see such thing, that is a very bad thing. And similar was the case with one of our regular customer clients. So because that client also uses us for other services, because we are, let me introduce in case if I have not yet. So my name is Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO expert, and owner of a Google partner company. So now let's coming back to the topic on the account restoration. So this was such a scenario here over here, and when we got the request from our client to get it sorted, we just had to overview through the client website profile. We overview their page, their Google Ads account. We went to their ads, because when your account is suspended for circumventing system, it means that Google is assuming either there can be a problem in your ads link issue, there can be a problem with the context of your website, some pages compliance issues, some IP addresses issues. So I mean, there were so many things on which there can be issue. When we sorted those things, yeah, it took us a little while. We cannot guarantee all the cases to be resolved quickly. It can take time, and for some cases it can take a lot of time. So similar was such experience with one of our client. And yeah, the good news is that the account is restored, and you can see that the ads are now finally being running. You can see over here that even the account was suspended from 12th October, before 12th October. So it took us a lot of time to get it restored. And now, in case if you move on to the notification, you can see that the account is unsuspended, and we have finally seen a clicks as well on the account, which is means that the account is no more suspended. And I can do a perfect refresh in front of you guys to make sure that we are not doing something with the coding related. You can see it's your account is unsuspended. We are a Google partner company, and we help people in restoring their accounts. We also help in managing Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO services. Even we do technical ad audits, or even we help with Google, landing pages development. So yeah, in case if you need our services, you are more than welcome to contact with us. The details are in the description of this video on how you can work with me and my team, and we will be glad to help you out. And in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I got a new video, you guys get a notification. And don't forget to like and share. So in case if you have any additional questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye bye. This is another successful case study, so we are very happy with this. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.